Happy New Year from the Hot Rod Reverend, guys. It's time for our subscriber giveaway. Let's get to it. Hey guys, thanks for visiting the channel today. I'm so glad that you're here to learn about our subscriber giveaway. We're very close to hitting 5,000 subscribers here on the YouTube channel. It's been a really good year for 2025. I think well over 450,000 views from all the videos here at Hot Rod Reverend. So anyway, what we're doing is we're giving away this intake manifold. Let's take a look at it. This is what we're giving away, Ford's best 4-barrel intake manifold, also known as the ECZ 9425B. Obviously, this is an original. I have opened up the throats a little bit for the larger butterflies. I've run an Edelbrock on this, Holley on this, Summit Carb on this as well. This is a really good intake manifold from Ford. Obviously, the spread board. There are no strip threads on this. I pulled this, everything was fine. One of the things the previous owner had done to this before I bought it is he had sealed off the exhaust choke tube ports. And if you want one, if you're the winner of this intake manifold, I'll go ahead and throw this in the box for you when I ship it to you. Brand new choke tube there. This will also come with intake manifold gaskets from Felpro. These are just fine to use, and we just flip it over here for just a second and look at the ports. Nothing wacky here, not a lot of corrosion or anything. Nothing's cracked anywhere. There's been no repairs, none of that kind of business. Just your standard 1957 4-barrel intake manifold that's in very good shape. And you can't beat free. So we want you guys to enter. Let's tell you how you can get that done. So how do you enter the contest? Number one, remember that we're running this contest all the way through the month of January. Contest entries will end on January 31st, Pacific time, 11:59 p.m. Do not forget that. What you need to do is go to the website, hotrodreverend.com. There's a link in the description below that will land you right on the page where you can enter your email address and your name and follow all the prompts and the check marks to make sure that you're entered for this giveaway. Understand there's no purchase necessary here. This is a free contest that I'm running. I'm not sponsored by anybody. This is hotrodreverend.com and at Hot Rod Reverend here on the channel. So this isn't from YouTube, this isn't from the Facebook group, this isn't from any website other than hotrodreverend.com. And make sure that you read the rules and the privacy policy there that's underneath of the widget where you enter all your information to make sure that you're entered for the contest. Understand something here, this is a heavy intake. However, I'm willing to not just give it away, but also ship it. 50 US states here and then the territories. If you have a foreign address, understand you're going to have to cover the shipping for this. That's stated in the rules. The rules will state when we make the drawing and everything else, but it's being done or overseen by Giveaway Ninja, which I've partnered with, and it's not something myself, so I'm not going to pick the email address. But we're looking forward to doing this for all you guys. Man, we've grown to so many subscribers this past year. Had a lot of hits and a lot of people visiting the website. All these visits to the store, we've been selling stickers, we've been selling some merchandise, some of the Hot Rod Reverend gear. I want to thank you guys for all of that. We've even had subscribers that have shipped carburetors to me. I'm running one of those carburetors now, a Lincoln variant, Holley 4000 on my 1955 Ford Fairlane Club Sedan. Had a guy that shipped me a set of headers. You guys have been very generous and very kind. I'm just trying to give back to you guys the best way that I know how. And hopefully here in 2026, this won't be just our first giveaway. We'll be able to see the channel grow and continue to have more subscribers and just continue to see the website grow as well. And hopefully we'll be able to do another giveaway this year. Well, guys, that's it for this video. This is all we wanted to do is make the announcement about the giveaway to let you know how you can enter, let you know a couple of the things about the rules, and of course when the contest ends. But the thing we really want to do is just to say thank you for the great year that we've had in 2025. We're looking ahead here, 2026, this new year, and all that we're going to be doing here with the 1955 Ford Fairlane Club sedan, our Y-Block build, whole lot more tech that we're going to be getting into, hopefully some more reviews on products and tools and equipment that we use in the shop. I do have an aluminum intake manifold on the way from Top Street Performance that I'm going to be unboxing and giving you a review on that, hopefully eventually this spring, installing that on the 292 Ford Y-Block V8 that's in my 1955 Ford Fairlane, and really putting that intake through its paces. One last time before we go, I want to remind you there is no purchase necessary. Secondly, this giveaway is not being sponsored by anyone affiliated with YouTube, Facebook, or any other website other than HotRodReverend.com and the Hot Rod Reverend himself. Stay tuned to the channel and to HotRodReverend.com. We're looking forward to 2026 and all the projects upcoming. Guys, thanks for visiting today. We'll see you on the next one.